In today's video, I will show you how to reset your RingCentral account password if you have forgotten it. So first, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the RingCentral admin portal, or you can launch the RingCentral app. Now go ahead and click on the option Sign In. You'll be prompted to enter the email or phone number that is linked with your account. Type in that and click on Next. Now over here, you'll be prompted to enter your password. As you have forgotten the password, click on this option Forgot Password. Now here, type in the email address to reset your password and then click on Reset. Now you will be receiving code in your email address or the link. You'll need to check your mail and click on that link and type in the new password for your account. With that, your new password will be updated. Now you can navigate to this page, type in your credentials and sign into your account. So this is how you can easily change RingCentral admin password. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.